don't know.
How you unlock it?
Is there one up?
Valerie.
Oh my gosh.
How you doing?
I miss you guys. Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Welcome, welcome.
How you doing, Uncle Louie?
Oh, hi, honey. How are you? You're so handsome. How you doing?
Good.
Good.
How you doing?
Hi, sweetheart. How are you? You remember
Hi, I
me?
can't believe you guys are here. Hey.
Oh, so sorry. I'm fat.
How you doing?
Yeah, you good? Was it a long ride?
Went to New York over there.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
Good.
Good to see you. How was the ride? Oh, you're busy crying. How you doing? How you doing? You miss your baby?
How you? I remember you. Hi.
Oh my
You made it.
goodness. Well, look, the whole gang's here.
Took anything?
This is better than I thought.
Turkey?
How long did it take you guys? Like 7 hours?
6 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a...
Great change.
President Alley.
Oh.
Oh, okay, okay. That's where I live.
Where?
That's this building.
Where's your room?
Those, see where those lights are?
All the way up there?
Yeah, that's the floor I'm on.
Dang.
Yeah. I know.